Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, I'm gonna show you how to log in to Luno Bitcoin Wallet account. So let's get started without wasting much of our time. First of all, open a web browser of your choice. Go to the URL box and type in luno.com. From the official web page of Luno, click on the sign in button at the top right corner. In order to sign into your account, you can sign in with your email registered with Luno or choose one of your social accounts from the bottom. If you already have a social account and if you've registered with it while signing up for Luno, go ahead and make the same selection. Since I chose the email option to sign up, I'm gonna have to type in the same option. So go ahead and enter the email if you've chosen email and then click on next. It'll then prompt you to enter your password. Enter your correct password for your account. If you don't remember the password, click on Forgot Password link and follow through the password reset process. After filling in both of your email and password, click next again and then verify your email address. Enter the 4-digit code that you received via your email and you will then be able to log into Luno. So that's how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.